Day 21 and 22 is here, and today we're working with two different types of frozen fruit. And when this happens, some people will need to add a little bit more water to help everything blend. Let's see how we go. We might have to do the same. Also, in this batch of smoothies, we're working with power greens. This is a mix I got from Costco. There's spinach, there's kale, and there's chard in here. So that is a different type of green combination that we haven't used thus far. Frozen cherries go into the blender, as do the frozen mangoes. We have some grapes, and we want to kind of take out all the sticky parts, like the parts that are sticks, not the sticky parts. Sometimes I crack myself up. These are cotton candy grapes. And I'm new to these. I just discovered them for the first time this year, and they're quite delicious, and they taste a little bit like cotton candy, and that tastes really nice in smoothies. Whatever grapes you choose to use in your smoothie at home is completely up to you. That said, you might want to look for these. Also a Costco find, though I have seen them at health food stores. So about 2 cups of grapes. Then we have our power greens. 1/3 a pound, roughly 1/3 of a bag. You can eyeball it. Smushy smush smush. And a banana. Boom. Let's see if this sucker will blend. I'm really digging this dial. It's so smooth to adjust your speeds. Just let's see what happened. And look, here's case in point. So a few smoothies ago, I said that I like to add my greens in first, because if you add them in last, this kind of happens. So you get that rogue little green. So let's just go ahead and blend that again, because nobody likes when their smoothie is pouring and then bloop, bloop, little bits start falling out. Okay, take 2. Dang, that is good. Those cotton candy grapes really shine through. This is a really good summery smoothie. I just made that up, but it's hot today, and this smoothie goes down extra smooth. And then we seal the deal. And just like that, we have 2 more smoothies, one for today, one for tomorrow. Let's do it.